Joe here, your reliability man, bridging the gap between best practices and the reality that you live every day. Today's lean driven reliability topic of the day are 7 lies that you're telling yourself and then that you believe that are preventing you from stellar results. 7 lies you believe. Okay, let's get into this. First of all, hey, I'm only getting about 10% of the people hit like or dislike to my videos. Let's try for 50% today. Just one click of the thumbs up or the thumbs down. Give me a comment if you're ambitious. And about 10% of you are subscribing, so please hit that subscribe. Means a lot to me. I'm trying to get a grasp of who are consistent listeners to this content. So let's begin here. Top 7 lies that you believe. Number 7, I don't have sponsorship from above and I cannot get started. Guys, there's so much as a reliability professional, maintenance professional, a plant manager that you can do that you need zero sponsorship for. Setting expectations of people, going to the planners and expecting them to anticipate wrench time issues. That's something you can do fully within your control. Number 6, wrench time is not an issue at my plant. I wish I had a dollar for every time I've heard this. They'll show me data. I go out and do chalk circle type observations. That means they're at least 4 hours in length, most of the time multiple days. And wrench time, most frequently, a good rule of thumb, is about half what you think it is. So if you think your wrench time's at 40%, I'll bet you it's around 20. Got to do the observation. Don't believe what other people are telling you. Don't believe your snapshots. You got to do chalk circle observations. Number 5, we're pretty good. Why do we need the change? Our metrics are good. We have planners. We got reliability engineers. We have OEE meetings. Guys, go out and observe. Observe via chalk circle. Look for the waste. If you don't think you have waste and you think you're pretty good, give me a call. Send me an email. You've got my lean driven reliability email in the content at gmail.com. I've got a money back guarantee on my rate. So if you want me to come to your plant, you think you're pretty good, you don't think you have wrench time issues, just send me a line. I'll come out to your plant for zero labor cost if that's true. Just pay my expenses. Number 4, sorry for the hesitation there. Number 4, I need dollars to get started. I need to get the equipment in maintainable shape. I need to put on some training. Folks, there's plenty of low-hanging fruit waste out there. If you go into a reliability and maintenance plan that is targeted towards eliminating waste, it's everywhere. It's everywhere. You can get a lot of free things. And then once you get up to $100,000, $200,000 in savings, then you go back to get sponsorship, say, hey, can I have $50,000 for this? I already saved you $200,000. That's the way sponsorship works. Go in with that credibility. You don't need dollars to get started. The number 3 lie that is preventing you from getting reliability results is you saying that you need people. I need to hire, once I hire this planner, everything will get started. Once I hire a reliability engineer, it'll get started. I need 3 more craftspeople before I get a kidder in place. Folks, there's other videos that I've sent out. You look at the waste, get the waste out of the way, or start to get it out of the way, and then ask for reinvestment. Don't ask for people up front. If your wrench time's 10%, it is wrong. It is wrong to ask for people when your wrench time's 10%. Get your wrench time up to 30% before you can even consider thinking about people. You're not effectively using the people at all, and you got rampant waste. So you don't need people to get started. The number 2 lie that I hear about why we can't start our reliability journey and get the results that we're looking for is we're different. You know, our business cycles, our pressures are different. Our staffing is different. Folks, again, you go in this with a waste focus, use chalk circle observations, you'll find plenty of opportunity to get better. And number 1, drum roll. The number one lie that you're telling yourself on that you believe and is preventing you from getting stellar results is, I can't start until we get caught up on our emergency or unplanned work. This is almost universal. What I hear when I go into a plant is the leader, whether it's the plant manager, the reliability engineer, or the maintenance manager, they understand what steps they need to take. And as soon as they get caught up on their emergency work, as soon as they get caught up, they're ready to go. And quite frankly, folks, it just doesn't happen. So there you go. I'm going to expand on these in future videos. You must get past these, folks. You got to get past them. These are lies that you believe that are preventing you from getting started. I believed them once, and that's why I'm so passionate about them. It took me 32 years over that time to get past them. It didn't all happen in one day, but you have to challenge these. Begin your journey, folks. Don't believe these lies. You can get pointers from me via email or comments in this content on YouTube, or reach out to me if you want an experienced guide. I've been there before. I've worked through the obstacles. I promise you I can cut years off your deployment. Hit subscribe, smash like or dislike. Thank you.